Hey guys, I'm back with another review, and this one is by Valentia, and this is the Eternal Youth Exfoliating Scrub, and this is the one with white and green tea. And let me tell you guys, I've been sitting here playing with it. Remember I showed you the other Valentia, which was the face cream, the actual eye cream, and then I have, I don't even know if it's down here. Nope, I can't find it. I probably put it away because I was using it. And I always put my stuff away in the medicine cabinet, which is behind you guys. But I had a face mask of theirs. This is an exfoliating scrub. It smells so good. It smells like lemons. And it jiggles. Like the other one looked like custard. This one doesn't. This one looks like... I don't know if you guys have ever had bubble tea and the tapioca pearls. If you make them at home, they have this white, like, tapioca topping to them. And... that's kind of what this looks like. It reminds me of, because I just made some of the tapioca pearls. The throat is so dry. And this looks like the stuff that came from the top of it when I was rinsing off the tapioca pearl. And that's what it looks like inside. And I'm trying not to drop it on myself because it wiggles. You see it jiggles. And it's got a scrub, and so smells so good. This smells like lemon lime. And this is suitable for all skin types. It has no alcohol in it, has no paraffins in it. It's cruelty-free, which is all Valentia. And all you do is you take a little bit of this, and then you work it in a circular motion. Remember, guys, when you work it in a circular motion, you want to go upward. So it brings your face up, not downward, because you don't want to have the triple chin, the quadruple chin, these numbers. Because you don't want that. You don't want the sagging skin. You want your face to look young. You want to be young, basically. Come on, guys. I'm going to be 39 next month. Almost 40. I don't look my age. And I've lost tons and tons of weight. And I had to make sure that, I had some stuff that was going to lift up my face, not make it, that I have the triple chin, the double chin, and stuff like that, because even on camera, you look like you have 10 extra pounds on you, no matter what you do. Apparently, I don't, which is a good thing, and I'm happy about it, but I still don't want to look like, a railroad map, or a highway map, or anything like that. There's something in my eye. It's just a little buggy flew in my eye. House gnats from outside. They come inside, apparently. But I wanted you guys to check this out because this is now my next favorite in exfoliating. And I exfoliate my face every single day because of the fact of my psoriasis. I have to keep my face exfoliated. If I don't, it'll drive me insane. And I don't even know, there's nothing bad to say about this. It doesn't sting on my face. It doesn't cause allergic reactions. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't drive me insane. It doesn't itch. Nothing. I just put it on, and it makes my face so baby soft. All of this stuff that was on my face, I needed an exfoliant, and I needed something that was going to moisturize real quick because winter has been brutal here. I don't know what it is, but it's been so brutal. And everything's been going downhill on me ever since I cut my hair. I had to trim my hair so it was even because I got butchered. And everything's been like blah. And I needed that lift. And, Valentia, just came out at the right time. Then the other one that I have is their hydrating mask. They also make a scrub for men. So if you guys want to check that out, that's what that looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that really clear, but that's the men's one. And then, of course, they have their clay mask. And then the scrub that I just got. And then they're exfoliating. This one is the Ultra Plumping Hydration Mask, which I have down underneath the camera somewhere in my goodie stuff. And then, of course, the eye serum, well, that I call the eye serum, which is the eye cream. That's the True Glow Eye Cream, which I told you, it's just, I swore it was like a serum, and it wasn't. It was an actual cream in the container. That I do have over here, actually. That's right here, because I use it every single day. The hydration mask, I don't, so it's in the actual medicine cabinet, which is right behind you guys, which I just banged on. This is the I call it eye serum because that's what it acts like. It acts like a true eye serum. It's an actual eye cream. That was from them too. That was a review. I use that every single day. Haven't used it yet. I did wash my face, but I'm just in lazy mode today. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna. Maybe I'll do a tutorial with you guys or whatever, but I'm not sure. But you know, they sent me something in there, and they always send me nice stuff to review, and I've never had an issue with them since the very beginning. If you saw my last video, you know I met Michael on one of the free sites that you get products free to review. Actually, Michael at that time was doing his fogless mirror. He was trying to, you know, publicize that, and I was having difficulty because I didn't have Amazon Prime, kind of like I don't now, and he had said, well, you know, let's wait, and I have, you know, products coming out that you might like to try, and I ended up, you know, checking out Valentia, and I've been checking out his stuff ever since. I have to say, I've been completely impressed with the products. He is quick on the ball. He always knows what you need. He's always on the game. Michelle, I don't know if she joined the team recently, but this is the first time I've actually met her, and she is super, super sweet. It is a great team of Valentia, and now you can actually go to their website, and I'm actually going to post this for you guys again underneath. It's valentia.com, and if you want to join, you know, it's /join. You get a coupon for 15% off of your next purchase. You get exclusive offers to try new products for free, which really isn't, you know, a bad thing, especially, you know, if you guys actually really, if you were closer, I'd have you check these out because these are really, really nice. And they always send you, you know, natural skincare solutions, stuff like that, and then they thank you for your purchase, and they send you this cute card with it, and, you know, it shows their top 5 that they have, you know, from men, scrub, the clay mask, women's scrub, hydration mask, and then at the bottom it has their signature True Glow eye cream. The very first one was a Glow eye serum. They went to the cream. Not sure if the serum is still available. Probably is. I haven't really checked because I've been checking out their new stuff. Shame on me. The only thing I haven't checked out from them is their clay mask and their new rose something, which is probably a good idea because, yeah, me and rose oil are not getting along at all. So, with that said, guys, you really need to try this. I mean, it's really, really nice. It has olive butter in it, avocado butter, and kukui butter. Now, kukui butter is treasured from Hawaii. Okay, that's the one that has the antioxidants and the skin protectants and the anti-aging stuff. And, of course, everybody knows avocado butter's got A, B1, B2, D, E. I think it also has C. I'm not completely sure on that. Olive butter is also 100% cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Tisanian olives ingredients nourishes, hydrates, smooths the skin. Hope I was pronouncing that right. I mean, I eat a lot of olives, so yeah. This has in it aloe vera, which all of theirs does. This has pumice, jojoba beads, which those little beads, they actually open, which is really, really cool. They open and deposit it across your face, which is nice. Then you have the green tea fragrance, the avocado butter, the olive butter, and the kukui nut oil, coffee extract, organic, green and white teas, and yeah, it smells like, because of all those combinations, it smells like lemon lime to me. So, yeah. And that is not a horrible scent. That's actually a great scent. Lemon, it looks like lemon lime tapioca with pepper. If you wanted to know what it actually looks like, it looks like tapioca with pepper in it, and it smells like lemon lime soda. Don't try and eat it because it smells good. They're not edible. Great for your skin. Not sure you want to be eating them. They might not taste good. external use only. But with that said, I figured I'll let you guys check that one out. That is neat. I'm enjoying that a whole lot. A whole lot. And, you know, I do that, rinse my face off, use my essential oils, go to bed at night, and I'm a happy camper. And as you can tell, I look like I am so deadbeat. And, you know, I got my sleep today. I just haven't had my coffee yet. I wanted to get these reviews out for you guys before I had my cup of coffee. So, with that said, I'm going to go and get my cup of coffee, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Be good to each other.